in order to do safe transactions online, we should all use reputable online sites. Sears, Lands' End, Penny's, Bank of America, BB&T. Don't use some fly-by-night website. And the other thing, if you put your credit card number into a website, it can be compromised. If you give your credit card to anybody at a store for payment, that number is out there, the information is gone. You and I as consumers are protected against any real financial loss if we notify the bank within a 60-day frame of receiving your statement or within 2 days upon discovering the fraud. By law, the bank will credit your account in the amount of the disputed charges. People that get into trouble are they don't watch their account online. When the statement comes at the end of the month, they don't read it line by line and pick out any fraud. So that's the thing to remember is just watch your account activity. If there's fraud, dispute it with your bank. You will get your money back. Very safe. Do it online. Reputable banks